Hi, this is Mrs. M with the Janitorial Spot. Today I'm going to talk to you about when you go do a walkthrough, you're starting a new janitorial company and now you've gotten the phone call to do the walkthrough. I've emphasized in several videos the best way to make sure you do a walkthrough. Well, I want to make sure that the one area I emphasized is how to submit the proposal. I get a lot of phone calls at the Janitorial Spot where our new members or people that are interested in starting janitorial companies have gotten their first proposal. And the question they have is, how do they go about submitting the proposal and then following up with the customer? So when you do your walkthrough and you've had a successful walkthrough and you've completed it, make sure before you leave that you commit to asking the customer what is the best way they want you to submit the proposal. Now, depending on the size of the proposal, you may want to make sure that you hand deliver an absolute flawless copy to your customer. But in today's technology, a lot of customers are allowing you to submit them electronically or via email. But there's several ways to submit the proposal. Just make sure that you get the information from your prospective customer before you leave. Once you find out how they want you to submit the proposal, and let's say they say a phone call and you call and they're not available, the question then comes, how often do I follow up before I give up that this person is no longer interested? I would say that if you call and they say that the best way to talk to them is by giving them a call, and you call and then they're not there and you leave a message with the secretary or on their voicemail, that you follow up within 2 business days. Continue to do that for 3 or 4 days and then wait about a week or so. Hopefully you've got their email address where then you can still keep in touch with them via email. Although you may do a walkthrough, there are some customers that have decided that they're no longer interested, or the company they hired began to work out, or they've hired a family member. There could be a host of reasons on why you did the walkthrough. You gave them the proposal and you can't get an answer on whether or not they're going to accept your proposal or if they've gone with another company. And that's basically what you're trying to find out. If you got the bid, if you didn't get the bid. And there are times that they're not looking to start for 30 days. So you think you didn't get the bid and then you get a phone call later that you did. So don't be discouraged. Don't give up. But at the same time, you want to make sure you don't bother them. That can be really, really frustrating. So the best thing to do is to find out first how they want you to submit the bid, the proposal. Then make sure that you submit it the way you both decided, via email, phone call, or doing it through transmission by submitting it through an app for a proposal. Then follow up and give a couple of days after the first contact to find out. If you go in person, of course, that's the best way because then you're going to actually see them. Usually you may have to drop the proposal off if they're not there, but you're still making contact with someone there, letting them know, I will follow up within 2 days to find out if I've gotten the proposal. Or make sure you ask them, how long should I wait before you're going to make a decision? And let them tell you. Either way, get a firm commitment, then wait about 48 hours after you've gotten the commitment on when's the best time to follow up. And then make sure that you follow up within 2 or 3 days after, and then start trying to follow up no more than once a week. After doing that for a couple of times, put them on your email list, and I would wait about 60 days. If you follow up numerous times and you haven't gotten any kind of information back from them, then I would follow up within 60 days and just keep your company on top of mine. I think that's the best way to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please contact us at 1-800-601-2730, extension 106, or visit us at www.thejanitorialspot.com. Have a fantastic morning, evening, day. Thank you. Bye-bye.